Hi friends, have you ever taken a shortcut? When you've been walking or driving with your family, have you ever tried to take a shortcut to get somewhere faster? Well, sometimes in English, we use shortcuts to say things or write things faster. So today we're going to learn about some shortcuts that we use in English. They are called contractions. Can you say that word with me? Contractions, contractions. Contractions are when we take two words, so hold up two fingers. We take two words and then we smush them together and make one word. A contraction is when we take two words and we smush them together to make one word. So now I'm going to go over some examples of how we do this. So let's go over some contractions that we use all the time. Now remember, a contraction is two words that we smush together to make one word. So here we have, let's read these words together. She will, cannot, is not, was not, he is, did not. So let me show you how we make contractions. So let's start with the first word, she will. We take two letters away and we put what's called an apostrophe. Can you say that big word? Apostrophe. This is an apostrophe. And whenever we take out words to make a shortcut, so I took out the W and the I have to mark it with an apostrophe so we know some letters were missing. So she will, becomes she'll. So let's try again. Cannot is two words. So we're going to shorten it to a different word. We're going to take two words, smush it together and make one word. And we're going to make the word can't. Can't. I can't do it. Can't. So then the letters that we took away, we mark it with an apostrophe. And that's two words, can and not, become one word, can't. Let's try it again with is not. Is not is two words. He is not home. So then I want to make a shortcut. So is not is two words, is not. And then I'm going to take away some of the letters and put an apostrophe, I-S-N apostrophe T, isn't. He isn't home. And that is how we make it a shortcut. We can say it faster. We have a few more to go over. Was not, was not, was not, was not. I want to smush it together to make one word. So it becomes wasn't, wasn't. So we mark the O is not there anymore, and I put an apostrophe. Two more. He is, he is. I want to make it a shortcut. I want to say it faster and make it a contraction. So I take away a letter, I put an apostrophe in its place, and it becomes he's, he's. Did not, did not. Did not is two words, and we want to smush it together to make one word. So I'm going to take away the O, I'm going to put an apostrophe in its place, and then it becomes one word. It becomes the word didn't. Did not becomes the word didn't. So that was very good, boys and girls. That is how we make shortcuts when we are reading or writing or talking in English. So, and then they're called contractions. A contraction is two words that we smush together to make one word. And when we take away those letters, we put in its place an apostrophe. Say that with me one more time. Apostrophe. So an apostrophe, when you're writing, you can just make a little circle and then a line going down, and that is an apostrophe. So now we are going to look at some sentences to practice reading and recognizing and knowing how to say contractions. Okay, so read this simple sentence with me. It says, he did not see his dog. He did not see his dog. So the words did and not, we can make those a contraction. We can take those two words and smush them together and make one word. Can you think of what word we could use instead of did not? We can use the word didn't. Didn't. Now let's look at the difference. Can you see the D, I, and D are the same, and the N is now closer to the D, it becomes one word, and the O is missing, so I put an apostrophe in its place, T, and did not becomes didn't. Now let's read the sentence again. He didn't see his dog. Very good. Now the second sentence, read it with me. He is eating ice cream. He is eating ice cream. So the word he and is, those are two words, but we can smush them together and make a contraction. We will make the contraction he's, and then we say it a little bit faster. He's eating ice cream. So tell me what letter we took away in the word he's. We took away the I, and then we made these two words into one word, and we put an apostrophe in the I's place. He's eating ice cream. Okay, this is the last sentence we're going to practice. My mom was not home yet. My mom was not home yet. So we can take the word was and not, and we can put those two words together to make a contraction. We'll make the contraction wasn't. My mom wasn't home yet. Wasn't is a contraction. It's one word, and we took the O out and we put an apostrophe. My mom wasn't home yet. Great job, boys and girls. I hope that you understand how to take these shortcuts in English that make reading and writing easier. They're called contractions, and we use an apostrophe in contractions. So now you have 3 pieces of homework to do. I'm going to go over them one by one. So the first thing you need to do is in your lesson that I sent, I want you to write contractions in your English notebook. So that's the first thing you need to do, and send me a picture of your contractions in your English notebook. The second thing is I want you to take your worksheets book that looks like this and open to page 120 and 121. And you'll do these 2 pages and send me a picture. And then the third thing you get to do this week is play a game on the computer. So I've sent a link that you need to click on, and I want you to play that game. And then when you're finished playing the game, I want you to send me a picture of your score and how you did in the game. And there's all the instructions are written, and so if you don't understand, your mom and dad can read the instructions in the lesson and help you, okay? And then the last thing I wanted to tell you is this week we have a Zoom call, and we're gonna do some fun review and practice and games and reading and all of that fun stuff that we do when we're together. Boys and girls, have a great day. Do your schoolwork well. I miss all of you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.